Today we're going to be installing a PaceEdwards retractable switchblade on my 2018 Ram 2500. This is a new line for us and we're real excited to go out. One of the key benefits of why I went with the switchblade is that it's a retractable and it's an easy clamp on, clamp off. The instructions say it only takes a few minutes to install with only two tools, a 7/16 wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. We're going to see how it goes and come back with you. And that concludes our install of the switchblade from PaceEdwards. When we were doing the install, it did take us a little longer just because we were looking at the clamps and we got a little confused. But overall, the install went pretty smoothly. Everything, you knew where it went and how it all went. But because the clamps gave us such a hard time, we wanted to go over those specifically. So, pop open. Just so you know, quick release is right here underneath the bed. Opens. Slides all the way back to the control box. Let's show you those clamps. All right, so with these quick clamps, what's really nice about them is that they are a little bit longer on each side. So figuring out the long from the short took us a little bit of time. But once we figured it out, what's nice is they've got a little gap right here in the rail that you can hook on, slides right back. Back part hooks onto the bed of the truck, so it pulls it together. And then it's got these really sweet anchors. What these anchors do is as you tighten it, it'll lift and lower the rails so that you can have a flat ride all across your bed. That's really cool. So guys, to conclude, the install on the PaceEdwards switchblade was super easy, and really, when you look at the clamp design, it's super ingenious. Again, all it took was a Phillips screwdriver and a 7/16 wrench. It's all we needed to do this entire install. We hope that this was educational for you guys and that you'll be able to go ahead and get these PaceEdwards moving onto your customers' vehicles and get them happily down the road. But for us here, we're done.